Hey guys, welcome back to Techie Veer. Today I'm going to share my real experience and the exact service cost for the first and second service of the MG Comet EV. If you're planning to buy the Comet or already own one and wondering how much the maintenance actually costs, this video will clear it up all. It's been a few months since I got my MG Comet, 2 months to be precise, and honestly it's been a fun little EV to own. But what about the real cost of keeping it running? Today I'll share the exact details of first and second service, how much I really paid, what was included, and if it's truly unaffordable as MG claims. So let's find out. The first service is after 1000 kilometers or 1 month, whichever is earlier, and the second service is at 5000 kilometers or 6 months, whichever are earlier. As you can see, my vehicle has already done 5892 kilometers and I have done my second service at around 5200 kilometers, and these are the two service booklets which we will be discussing now. In my case, I took my Comet for its first service at around 1200 kilometers or so, and the process was quick. The service center mainly checked the brakes, suspension, tires and did a diagnostic scan, and they've also washed the car and topped up with the windshield fluid. So here you can see that the labor cost was 0, but the windshield fluid costed me around 80 rupees and the interior cleaner costed me around 45 rupees. So the total was around 125 rupees for the first service. Here is the invoice for the second free service, and here you can see that I have gone for the second service at around 5247 kilometers or so around, and you can see that the labor cost for the second service was also 0. But there was some reducer oil change which costed me around 990 rupees, and there were some other components which costed around 45, 1017, 80, 1060, and the total came out to be around 3193 rupees. But don't worry, this is not the total cost for the second free service, because I have added a couple of accessories here, like door handle garnish which costed me 1017 rupees, and the weather deflector which costed me around 1060 rupees. So if you remove both this, the second free service would cost you around 1000 to 1200 rupees, which is like very minimal for an EV like this. So overall the MG Comet is very light on the pocket when it comes to the service cost. So I'll also be sharing the updates about my third service, so please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for more real EV ownership updates. This is Veer from Techie, signing off. Drive safe and stay charged.